Pure souls, welcome back to our inner liberation journey. Today's lesson is about letting go of the need to fix others. Wanting to fix others can mask a desire to control or avoid discomfort. We often believe that helping others change will solve relationship struggles or ease our worries. But this need can create resentment and disconnection. Letting go means accepting people as they are, with their flaws and journeys. True love supports growth, but doesn't force it. When you release the fixer role, relationships breathe and grow authentically. Let go of control, love without conditions, and watch transformation happen naturally. If this message inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe so we can continue this journey of true freedom and unconditional love together. Thank you for walking this path with me.